Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make these really smooth transitions through your edits. Let's get straight into it. So once you've made your composition and you've got your clips in the timeline, make sure they're pre-composed. You can add like time warp to them just to make the speed slower. I'm just going to add it onto them both. And then you want to zoom in here and you want to make sure this second clip overlaps by just a bit like this. Then you want to press key on your keyboard, make a keyframe for the opacity, drag this out, and then make it the front 0 like this. And then you got like a fade transition like that, which is pretty clean, but it's not good enough. We need some movement. So you're going to right click, you're going to click new, and you're going to add a null object at the top. And then you're going to link your second clip to the null object, not your first clip. Go to after the fade bit, click R on your keyboard, keyframe it, P, keyframe it, S, keyframe it, and then press U. Now all your keyframes are here. Just select them and drag them out here. And then you're going to want to move this a bit. So add some rotation, maybe scale it, bring it here like this. It doesn't really matter. Just however you think is good. And then drag it out quite far like this. Then you're going to want to go to these keyframes and then go backwards one frame and then link the first clip with the null. As you can see, there is a sort of transition, but it is so choppy, and then there's like a weird grey black background bit. So what you're going to want to do is first add motion tile to your first clip, click mirror edges, and then make the output height and width 300, and you can just copy it and add it to the second clip as well. Then you're going to want to highlight all the keyframes on the null, press F9 to easy ease them, or right click keyframe assistant and click easy ease. Then make sure they're all highlighted and go to your graph editor. So this is how you make the movement really smooth. So highlight this and then copy my graph. There we go. And now it looks super smooth. And you could also add some other stuff, like you could add a Gaussian blur that goes in and out when the transition happens, or like a glow. You can use exposure as well. But yeah, obviously add color correction. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.